Welcome to Tours, the heart of the Loire Valley, where history and modern charm blend seamlessly. Join us for an enchanting evening walk through this picturesque city and witness all the happenings in the evening. Tours, often referred to as Little Paris, has earned this nickname due to its historical significance and cultural vibrancy, reminiscent of the French capital. In the summer, Tours transforms into a vibrant hub of events and nightlife, offering something for everyone. We invite you to sit back, relax, and join us as we take you on a captivating journey through the bustling streets and lively events of Tours. As the sun dips below the horizon, Tours comes alive with a warm, golden glow. The city's vibrant streets are perfect for a leisurely stroll, filled with the sounds of laughter and the aroma of delicious French cuisine. Our first stop is the charming place Plumereau, a square that's straight out of a fairy tale. Surrounded by half-timbered houses, this is the perfect spot to soak in the lively atmosphere and maybe even enjoy a glass of local wine. No evening in Tours is complete without savoring the local cuisine. Whether it's a cozy cafe or a bustling bistro, the city's culinary delights are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Head down to the Loire River for the Tours sur Loire Festival. Enjoy open-air bars, delicious food stalls, live music, and dance parties that keep the energy high and the spirits even higher. Once here you will also see the Pont Wilson, which is a historic and architectural marvel that spans the Loire River, connecting the city's historic center with its northern districts. Next is the Rue Nationale. The bustling main thoroughfare of Tours is a vibrant blend of high-end boutiques, charming local stores, historic landmarks, and diverse cafés and restaurants, offering an essential shopping, dining, and cultural experience in the heart of the city.
खुद भी हो गई ना
Est-ce qu'on peut applaudir s'il vous plaît Marceau au son? Du bruit pour Beyrouth au son? Je la prendrai à temps. Ça me touche beaucoup, merci. Et pour la dernière fois ce soir, foutez-moi le bordel pour vous! Merci beaucoup, à bientôt! Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup!
Here are some of the main city landmarks to watch as we continue our walk. As we walk down to the end of our visit, we hope you enjoyed exploring the vibrant streets, historic landmarks, and cultural treasures of this beautiful city. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Tours. Subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.